Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to talk about water. The Earth is called the water planet. I hear that there is about 1.4 billion cubic kilometers of water on the Earth. Look at Graph 1. About 97.5% of the water on the Earth is seawater, and about 2.5% is fresh water. But more than half of the fresh water is in glaciers and the like. And about 0.8% is groundwater, water in rivers, lakes and the like. It's not easy to use groundwater. The water we can use in easier ways is water in rivers, lakes and the like. But it is about only 0.01% of all the water on the Earth. Many of us don't think about this when we use water. Now, let's think about water we use every day. Where does water we use come from? In Osaka, rivers give us a lot of water. Have you ever thought about the water in rivers? You know there is a river near our school. Do you know that we can see fish in the river? When I talked with my father about that, he said, I didn't see fish in the river when I was a child because the water in the river was dirty. When I heard that, I thought that the water in the river is becoming clean. And I wanted to know about water quality in rivers. I looked for the ways to know about water quality in rivers. And I found an indicator to show water quality. It is called BOD. A higher BOD means that the water is dirtier. The BOD in some very clean rivers in Japan is about 0.5 milligrams per liter. Look at Graph 2. This shows the changes in the BOD in 4 rivers in Osaka during these 15 years. In 1995, the Yamato River had the highest BOD of the 4 rivers. And the BOD in the Naya River was about 9.5 milligrams per liter. But the BOD in these 2 rivers became about 2.5 milligrams per liter in 2010. In 2010, the BOD in the Kanzaki River was a little higher than the BOD in the Yodo River, but the BOD in these 2 rivers was as under 2.0 milligrams per liter. I learned that these 4 rivers are becoming clean because local governments and people living near them are doing a lot of things. I'll tell you some things people do for rivers. There are many activities to make rivers clean. For example, I found an interesting activity for taking care of yoshi, a kind of plant. Yoshi is useful to make water in rivers clean. And there are fish and birds that need yoshi to live in or around rivers. To grow new yoshi, people cut old yoshi in winter. I didn't know about this activity. I want to join this activity next time. There are also activities to make people interested in rivers. I have joined one of those activities. I watched fish, birds, and insects that live in or around rivers. And now, I think more about the water in rivers. I think people become more interested in the water in rivers if they know about fish, birds, and insects in or around rivers. And they may try to make rivers clean. We need water, of course. It is also important for us to remember that all the things living on the earth need water. And there is only a little water we can use on the earth. To keep water clean or to save water, there are things we can do at home. For example, I clean dirty dishes with some old paper before washing them. Let's start doing the things we can do. Thank you.